Step into the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.